start with new brand report, and we will explore pie charts now. So this topic is related to plotting proportion of a whole using pie chart. Pie charts are ideal when you want to view composition and specific instant at a time. A pie will allow you to view how different components contributed towards whole. Let's go ahead and get started renaming the page. And we just rename the page by clicking here and pie and donut charts. And now we will go and explore the dataset which we are going to use here. We are going to use this Excel data or CSV file which is talking about Hollywood most profitable series. We will see the name of the movies and genre, in which genre they are, in comedy, drama, romance, and or in which they are. They are talking about lead studio, audience, profitability, worldwide profit, and Rotten Tomatoes percent and the year in which they are published. So we can explore the data on the basis of rows and on the basis of uh, our columns about what information they are providing. So it's looking like the data is okay. So we just go back to the Power BI. We will go there in home menu, and till now we are very much familiar how to use Power BI. We will go to the get data. We will go move to the text CSV, and now we'll load Hollywood most profitable series and hit OK. After hitting the OK, it will open the Power Query editor and we can load the information. So there are few things here which is talking about file origin, delimiter, and data type detection. And we can cancel and we can transform the data. If we really want any kind of transformation before loading, we can do it here now. This is the right time. But if here our data is ready to use, we just hit load. That causes to load data in field span, and yes, it's here. As we expanded, we can view some fields are there. So what we will do now, we just want to preview the data. If we really want, we will go to the table view. Now at present we are on table view. Before that we were on report view. So we can see by hitting here on Hollywood most profitable series, data is looking like it is good and it's okay. So we will just go back to the report view. You can just explore here and there by scrolling up and down. So go back to report view, and thus on the sidebar button we will start our work. So what we will do, first we will go to the pie chart. We will click on pie chart. It's a third row, fourth one icon. A placeholder pie charts gets added. Now we have, first we will just expand it. Now we have fields menu highlighted and we can add few things here. So first what we will do, we will just drag and drop genre here on lesson, and we will just worldwide gross on the values. So a pie chart populated. At this point, pie chart has slicers as well. We will do this by clicking has slicer, so we can customize it, and we can do this customization by clicking on here. So here are few cards. First go with legend card. As we click here, We can see, we can play around with position right, wrong. So this is talking about genre place. This is already placed at right. So we place to the top center. Even we can explore to the different view, bottom right, bottom left, center left, okay, top left even. So we can play around with like this, and after this we can have, we can go to the title card. If we go to the title card, this can title text is genre. You can even change what you really want. Now we will go to the text. This will increase the this where we can increase the information about various things. We can play around. So if I am going to change the data view, it's showing in a better way. I think you can easily readable. So then we will change the color. Now please go with a different card, and we will go to the detail label card now. Here at detail label card, we can play around with position inside, outside. So if I am putting it inside, you can see the change. See, I don't think it's a better idea, so we will change it to back. We can even play around label contents. It is showing total value and percentage. So we can data value, percentage of total, all details labels. So if I'm clicking here, it's talking about comedy, and it's talking about in the way. So if I'm going to change this back, so now closed it, and we will go to the slicer. Here we can change the data, and we can have even more options, like if we are going to values. So you can see here we can change display units, value decimal. We even can increase the information we are showing here. So you can play around in various kind of things. Now if we are going about rotation, what rotation is talking about, 0 degree, 30 degree, we can even change it. We really don't require it, so we don't do this at this time. We will just go back. We will notice that how pie chart includes genre worldwide grows even. So if we want to change any value of content, we can change here. So this if we hover over there, and we can see that tooltip include of pie chart, genre worldwide, gross as well as percentage. So now go to the here, and now go to the focus mode. We can see the report is looking quite better, quite good. And it's telling all the information about genre percentage and their genre type. Go back to the report. Now go to the format pen icon, and we can experiment with position card. So we can play around here with different cards. We can even add some tooltips here. We can add some more details here. We can add drill through fields. So we can, you can see we can play around with different kind of changes here. If go to the format pane and we go to the labels, we can see we can add on various kind of values here, like color if we want to change, a value decimal places, label position inside outside. So you can explore and at your own end and you can play around with various kind of changes in a pie chart. Now go to the format pane with some of the data. We have some cards like fields, like legend, values, details, tooltips. So remove value, this one, and drag and drop another value, that is profitability here. So this changes the data representation in pie chart. Now you can see this is informing about the profitability. So the most profitable genre is genre comedy. Can we can go to the focus mode, even we can hover to the individual slide. Now back to the report. I hope you understood how to play around and how to create the pie charts. So this is all about pie chart. In next demo, we will go with creating donut chart. Thank you for watching my video, and please like and subscribe for more informative video. Thank you. Thank you so much.